Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create Cash App account in unsupported country. So to activate Cash App in unsupported countries, you need to show that you are in a supported country and you need to be aware that you will have limitations on your account. So first step, you need to use a VPN to access the app. So to download the Cash App, you will need to mimic your location with the US or UK. Download a reliable VPN service. So then you need to download and install Cash App. Use your VPN is active. You can then download and create your account on the Cash App. So the best option is NordVPN. If you want, you can get this VPN, and basically this is the best VPN. And basically you simply need to come here and you need to create your account on NordVPN. Of course, it is not free, but it is the best VPN. So this is the process how you can create Cash App account in unsupported country. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.